2. Yep, you can do that. Tēnei aho, we're going up and in. Really relish in the sweet parts of the song. Hey, make it nice, juicy. Give it the love, give it the love. Let's have a run. Let's have a hoon.
Koa Ana, nā Uncle Skip painga a tērā o ngā waiata. I mahi ngā me hei waiata tira mo te kapahaka o Muriwa i Hakara. 1994, it became a smash hit, really.
Which part would you like to try?
Probably tēnei aho.
Tēnei aho. The one?
I'll do the lead.
Tēnei, hege, tei, tua, tore, wha.
Tēnei aho.
One of those years for solos, I think that year, and that solo in particular, I think was like the genesis of moving into like black gospel music, kind of a field and a genre.
Last time on the lead, so we all on the lead for that. Alcohol.
Alcohol, no re.
We all on that. Kia ora, ko Virginia Maxwell tōku ingoa, he uri ahau no Ngāti Porou me Mitai. I was with Moemoeā when they first stood, 1997 I think it was, and then jumped into Manuhia for a regionals, and then did my first nationals up at Takaparawa with Wakahuia, 2002, and then 2004 we moved to Wellington, started Ngā Taonga Mai Tawhiti. What I love about haka is nothing. Is that a good answer? But what I do love is performing arts, and I love teaching it. I love seeing my students enjoy it.
Powerhouse in the alto section, but alto is an art, and it's the meat in the sandwich, and if it's not there, everything else feels flimsy, and she's always had that sound, beautiful, rich tone, a massive bottom end on that tone, but also a really piercing tops in her vocal ability, which is, I think, what you need for a good alto sound. Hey, now you got the sops doing sevenths, and you got everyone else trying to sing fifths, and it doesn't quite sit there. But having Ginny in this mix shows just how you do it.
So it's like stay on that last note. Whatever that was the last note that you end off on, that's what you started.
Nā reira koina tērā waiata e Koa Ana, mo te waiata whakamoemiti.
Which one are you doing, Lorraine? Get it.
I got you, Lorraine.
All right, Tefane. Sister Mary Clarence. Just try that part. Here we go, tēnei aho. Tei, tua, tore, wha. Tēnei aho.
us younger ones are a product of kapahaka and our passion for kapahaka and our passion for te reo Māori and everything and grown up being Māori. And I think through kapahaka, we're able to be ourselves, be, unapologetically Māori.
Yep, that's better.